Part of our practice in employment law here at BKBH is advising employers, especially out-of-state employers, who may not be familiar with the laws of Montana as they relate to employment. Probably the best example is we do not have at-will employment in Montana, and we oftentimes see handbooks that say your employment is at will. That's just wrong. That's not the law here in Montana. In Montana, you're governed by the Montana Wrongful Discharge from Employment Act, which has specific requirements as to termination, and also when an employee may sue an employer for a wrongful discharge. They include such things as not having good cause for the termination, which can be a real factual dispute. They can involve situations where you terminate an employee in violation of your own policies. And a good example of that is if you have a progressive discipline policy that says you're going to do 1, 2, and 3, and you go from 1 to 3, which is termination, you may have a wrongful discharge case. And then the third ground, which can also set up punitive damages, is if you terminate an employee in violation of public policy. For example, an employee files a workers' compensation claim, and you terminate them for filing that workers' compensation claim. That would be a good example of a bad termination and ultimately a significant award for the employee.